welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be making this video. I got home not long ago and I got my packages, and guess what's here? So I ordered the Sony ZV-1, okay? Just so I can create amazing 4K quality for y'all. You're welcome. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I ordered them from Amazon. Extremely expensive, you guys. Like, let me tell you, I had to sit and think, like, is this worth it? It cost $748. Like, do I want to spend that amount of money? Is 4K really necessary? Why can't people watch like stuff from that's recorded on a potato? So this is the ZV-1, the Sony ZV-1. I'm just gonna use my little knife right here. This is not safe, you guys. You should use a pair of scissors or something. Memory card, and it's a 128 gigabyte memory card because I don't want to run out. I mean, this is 2021, right? Who really runs out of memory? It's like storage full. That's so 2017, like you run out of memory.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
And batteries. So this is a Sony battery. I got the Sony battery, now remember, I got the Sony battery and I also got regular batteries, you know, just like regular batteries that will fit in this camera. I've heard that the Sony battery lasts longer than the other batteries, which is why I wanted to get this one. But the other one comes, well, I'll show you. Last thing, this box right here. Yeah. So, okay, so these are the batteries that I was talking about. This is a cable. Okay, I'll open it in a minute. Spare batteries. And the last thing I got is a tripod. I didn't want to get the conventional Sony remote tripod that everyone gets, mainly because this one gives you a little bit of distance. If you know anything about the Sony ZV-1, you know that like it's not a very wide angle camera, so when you're vlogging, you can only see like this much of your face. But if your hand could extend a little further, then you would get more of a view in the frame, which is the reason why I bought this. That's it. This is my new plant, by the way. It's a live plant. It's my first live plant. I'm really excited about it. I think I'm doing a pretty good job keeping it alive. It's been like 2 weeks. Things are going great right now. This is my old camera. I had the Canon T3i. I bought this maybe in 2010. I mean, still an amazing camera. I think this is the kit lens. Definitely could use a different lens, like a lens upgrade, but the body of the camera still works perfectly fine, so still keeping it. But we'll put this one aside for now. At first glance, this is what it looks like when you open it. Comes with the handbook. USB cable. So this is a windscreen, and it helps to reduce wind noise picked up by the internal microphone when recording a movie. The body of the camera itself. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing is so small that when you're vlogging, like, I mean, I think this is a great size. This is perfect. It's a little heavier than I imagined, to be honest, which is fine. It's just heavier than what I thought it would weigh. But in terms of how small it is, I mean, look, I have really small hands, okay? Look at that. Look at that. And the flip, guys, the flip, I mean, come on. Come on. Recording videos and being able to see yourself, amazing. Just amazing. Just take off this little shoe cap and replace it with this. Boom, done. So if you're considering getting the ZV-1, these are a few accessories you might want to consider. I got this Sony battery just because I wanted it to be the exact same as this one, you know, just in case, just to have a backup battery. Another problem that I don't want to have in 2021 is your battery's running low. Come on. But one of the coolest parts, this 3-part battery, and it also comes with a charger. It charges all 3 batteries at the same time. Warning, the camera package itself does not come with a charger, so you have to buy it separately. So you can charge it at night and then have 3 fully charged batteries in your backpack, you know, if you're going out on a long day of vlogging or shooting. And it also comes with a USB cable. So battery number 1, 2, and 3. And you will just insert the batteries here to charge it, okay? And then onto the amazing tripod. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, my new plant and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and just support the channel by liking the channel, commenting, and also hitting the bell button so that whenever I post a video, you're the first one to know. So that is it as far as what I ordered from Amazon. I can't wait to shoot with this camera. You guys are definitely gonna be seeing a lot of it. I can't wait to have the blurred effect and also the 4K. I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait till you guys see more footage. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you at my next video.